In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then tap on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, PIN, password or pattern. Then create the chosen one. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications here. And when you finish, tap on done. So when I switch off my screen, and turn it back on, icon stat pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!